Elon Musk is not an ally to Democrats, and any Democrat who thinks he is. He not only sued my former employer for reporting in multiple countries, he deposed me in Chicago. He flew his lawyers to Chicago to depose me for mean tweets. A 25-year-old with less than $10,000 in her bank account because he has such thin skin and he hates when his power is questioned in any way. He is not an ally to anyone but himself.
Well, how mean were they?
Huh?
I mean, pretty mean.
And to your point, there are a lot of things about Elon Musk and that.
But would you take his money? Just answer.
No,
Would you take his money?
I would not.
Would you advise a congressional candidate to take a contribution from Elon?
No.
I'm not taking money from a guy who does a Hitler salute. It's just that simple.